Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the kind of videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. I am going to be testing out this I Heart Revolution tin gift set that we saw me unbox about 3 months ago. I'm not used to this setup. I'm dropping everything. So we're going to test out this eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like on the inside, if it focuses on this. And alright, so this is what it looks like on the inside. I am wearing my Christmas jumper. I have got my tree up, so we're gonna have a lot of fun. And I feel like maybe we should go for some of the browns, and I don't know, let's try and make this as Christmassy as possible. We could do green on the lower lash line with a neutral eye on the top. We're going to test this. We're going to test a few other items from the gift set as well, but let's get into swatching this bad boy. Okay, so we've got the first and the second rows swatched here. So we've got the first, second. They're okay, they're not the most pigmented of shades. I'll swatch the last 3 rows, but I want to use that green. Now we've got the third, fourth, and we've got the 5th row here. This is one of my favorite rows, but the green, I really want to use it. And they're more of like a thicker, what do you call it? Crumbly, more texture, so I'm excited to use it. I think I'm gonna go for like a neutral eye with like a pop of green on the lower lash line. Throughout Vlogmas, this tree is gonna annoy me, I'm sorry, but let's start off with the shade Chocolate Orange in my crease. Not as orange as I thought it'd be. To me, that's coming off like a corally pinky orange. But the next thing I want to go in with is Sweetened, a bit of a pink. I'm actually going to use one of the brushes that came in the set too. It wouldn't have been a good one for blending the crease colour, but I think it would be good for putting in the crease. Now let's add Triple Chocolate in there, and I'm finding with these shades that I have to build up like 2 layers of them. Now let's take Creme de Cocoa. Why did they have to put a name in there like that? Creme de Cocoa. Just mug me off in the comments. Go for it, guys. Creme de Cocoa. I feel like they needed like one more brown in between. I'm not getting much fallout. Like there's a little bit of kickback in the browns, but not with the lighter shades. They're blending out so nicely. I always like to go in with a clean brush and just like buff it out a bit, because my blending skills are not the best. Now it's time to take this kind of flat brush and we're going to go in with the shade Caramel Center right there. And we're going to take that all over the lid, and then we're going to use the green for under the lash line. Okay, I like the brush. It's just quite big, which means I can't be precise, which means I'm going to go in with my P. Louise brush just to make it more precise. But pigmentation is there. I just need to kind of clean it up a bit more, and yeah, it's just so messy. I think because the brush is just so big, but it's good to put the first layer down, and then you can get your like more precise brush and like make the shape that you want. Then blend out the edge with the brown a bit. And then what else? I'll come back when we test out the face products. Okay, so base is on. Now we need to do bronzer, and there is a bronzer palette in this collection. It's the Chocolate Caviar bronzer, and it's got like a contour shade which is way too dark for me, but that bronzer I think I can get away with. I always say it in these gift sets, I don't like that they don't cater to all skin tones, they only cater to one. And I really think that Revolution need to think about doing, if they're gonna do these collections, they're gonna have to do like a fair to light, light to medium, medium to dark, dark to deep. Like they need at least 5 collections. So let's see, I'm gonna go in with a bit of a light hand because, well, it's quite pigmented already. Whoa. It looks very muddy. You know what, let's go in with the next palette. This is the Caramel Glaze palette, and it's got like a blush and a highlight type thing, and I'm gonna kind of do that and then go over with a bit of powder and like sort this out because it's looking very muddy. Let's try the highlight. I've got a slight line here, but I think I've managed to sort it out. Also, that blush is more of a topper, but we're testing it out. So let's try the highlight from that duo. And if it doesn't, it is so glittery. I forgot to say the blush is really glittery as well. Oh my god, it's just like glitter on my cheek. Like, I know I love glittery stuff, but wow, I've got another video to film after, and I think I'm just going to put like a normal blush underneath and somehow sort this out. What I'm going to do is finish my eyes off camera, and we're going to go in with Organic on the lower lash line. I don't know what I'm putting as a highlight just yet. I might go with what's on the lid, the caramel center on the inner corner and the brow bone. We have one more product to test, and that is the lip gloss. Now I have put Well MAC lip liner on just because it is my lip color but better. This is the shade of the lip gloss. It's in the shade Bittersweet, and I feel like this is a shade that I would use quite a lot. There it is there, very pigmented. I don't like when they're smaller ones because it means I'm gonna have to re-dip a few times. We're finished. What do you guys think? I'm actually pretty impressed with all of this. Let's start talking about the products. The first thing I want to talk about is the face products. I don't like face products in these sets. Like, you know me, I hate them. I just feel like you can't cater to every skin tone, and look how muddy it was on me. It really took me a lot to blend it in. I'm glad they're catering to darker skin tones because they love to cater towards fairer to light skin tones, sometimes medium if we're lucky, but it's just stop doing it. Just stop. Just stop. Yeah, either have gift sets that you say are catered to light to medium, fair to light, all of that, or don't do it. This is a real disappointment, this palette here. This is just, if I can open it, it's just pure glitter. Like, my cheek is just pure glitter. The next video I film, I think I'm gonna like put a blush underneath and then try and make that highlighter a bit gold. If you like glittery highlights, you're gonna like this, but I don't. I tend to just not go towards glittery highlights at all. So yeah, they're both a miss for me, to be fair. The gloss is really nice. I didn't even smell it. Got a slight sweet scent to it, nothing overpowering, nothing that would annoy you if you don't like scents. It's a lovely colour. I wish they would do more reds in their Christmas gift sets, because I feel like that's what we need in Christmas gift sets, is reds, and maybe a nude, but we need more reds than nudes. I didn't test this out. Should we test it quickly? Whew. So that is a salted caramel spray, and you know the spray is very overpowering, but if you love a scent of salted caramel, you're gonna love that. I'm actually in love with it. A bit of it went in my mouth and it actually tastes like salted caramel. Bit TMI, but you know, I actually like that. I'm probably gonna sell it to one of my patrons anyway, because I've got too many setting sprays, so I'm probably just gonna sell it. And then this bad boy. Now last year they did a big palette, and I think I love last year's more just because of the packaging, but I actually do love this palette. It is not too pigmented, so you can build it up by just putting an extra layer in your crease. The lid shade was really nice, and you can make a nice little nude look with this. Oh, look at the mirror, like, I love that. Anywho, I don't understand the blues, because for Christmas I kind of think of reds, greens, golds, so I wish there was more reds, greens and golds. But I like it. Pigmentation, not the greatest, but once you build it up, amazing. I hope you did enjoy this video. Please smash it huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and get excited because I am filming for Vlogmas, and I've actually planned every single video without there being a new Rev release or something. So get excited because I'm so excited for Christmas videos. I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.